Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a detailed look at how to fulfill your dropshipping orders on Shopify. If you've recently launched your Shopify store and you're wondering what happens after a customer places an order, then this tutorial is exactly for you. We'll go through the entire fulfillment process step by step, from setting up your checkout and payment methods to shipping products and updating tracking information. Whether you're selling your own products or running a dropshipping business, this guide will help you understand how everything works. So, let's get started. Now, before you can fulfill any orders, the very first thing you need to do is make sure your Shopify checkout is properly configured. A lot of beginners spend time designing their online store, adding products, and customizing themes, but they often forget one of the most important parts, the checkout system. Without a working checkout and payment method, customers won't be able to complete their purchases, which means you won't receive any orders to fulfill. So first, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your store, you'll see the main navigation menu on the left-hand side. Scroll all the way down and click on Settings in the bottom left corner. After opening Settings, you'll find several options related to your store. Click on Checkout. This is where you can configure how customers complete their purchases, including customer information, order processing, shipping preferences, and more. Take a few moments to review these settings and make sure they match your business requirements. Once your checkout settings are ready, the next step is to set up your payment methods. Still inside the settings menu, click on Payments. Here, you'll be able to add the payment providers you want to accept on your store. Simply click Add Payment Method and search for the payment gateway that works best for your country or business. Shopify supports a wide variety of payment providers, so you'll likely find multiple options available. Depending on where you're located, you might choose Shopify Payments, PayPal, Klarna, Stripe, or another supported provider. Select the payment method you want, follow the setup instructions, and complete the verification process if required. Once everything is configured successfully, your customers will be able to pay for their orders securely through your Shopify store. After your payment methods are active, your checkout is officially ready to receive orders. Now let's move on to shipping and delivery. Go back to the settings menu and click on Shipping and Delivery. This section is extremely important because it's where you define how your products are shipped to customers. Here you can manage your shipping profiles, delivery locations, shipping rates, and fulfillment settings. If you sell internationally, you can create different shipping zones for different countries or regions. Simply click under your shipping profile and add all the countries or locations where you're willing to ship your products. Now let's look at what happens once a customer actually places an order. Whenever someone purchases a product from your Shopify store, Shopify automatically sends you an email notification letting you know that you've received a new order. This notification contains the customer's basic order information, so you immediately know that a sale has been made. At the same time, if you return to your Shopify dashboard, you'll notice a number appearing next to the orders section in the left sidebar. That number tells you how many new orders are waiting to be processed. Simply click on Orders and you'll see the newly placed order listed there. Before fulfilling anything, always check the payment status first. This step is very important. Open the order and make sure the payment status says paid. If it says payment pending processing or anything similar, wait until the payment has been successfully completed before shipping the product. Once you confirm that the payment has been received, you're ready to begin the fulfillment process. Inside the order page, you'll see all of the customer's information, including their shipping address, contact details, the products they ordered, the quantity, payment information, and the order timeline. Carefully review everything to ensure there are no mistakes before proceeding. Now, depending on how your business operates, the fulfillment process can be slightly different. If you're selling products that you keep in your own inventory or private label products, you'll simply prepare the order yourself or have your warehouse team package it for shipment. However, If you're running a dropshipping store, the process will depend on the supplier you're working with. Some suppliers automatically receive your orders through Shopify integrations, while others require you to manually place the order on their website. Also, if you've created products directly inside Shopify without connecting a supplier, you'll be managing your own inventory. When you open any product in your Shopify dashboard, you'll be able to view its inventory, quantity, stock availability, and fulfillment settings. This helps you keep track of what products are available before fulfilling customer orders. Now, let's talk about dropshipping fulfillment. If you're a dropshipper, there are generally different ways your orders can be fulfilled. Many suppliers, including platforms like DSers, AutoDS, Zendrop, or other integrated suppliers, connect directly with Shopify. These integrations automatically receive customer orders once they're placed. When an order arrives, your supplier processes it automatically. They prepare the package, ship the product directly to your customer, and once the shipment has been dispatched, the tracking number automatically syncs back to your Shopify store. In this situation, your job is mainly to monitor the order status and confirm that everything has been processed successfully. You can simply open the order inside Shopify and check whether the supplier has accepted the order and whether the tracking number has been added. Most suppliers will send you a shipping confirmation email once the product has been shipped. This email usually contains important information such as the tracking number, shipping carrier, and estimated delivery date. Now comes one of the most important steps in the entire fulfillment process. Open the shipping confirmation email from your supplier. Locate the tracking number for the shipment. Some suppliers also allow you to log into your supplier account, open the order details page, and copy the tracking number directly from there. Once you've copied the tracking number, return to your Shopify dashboard and open the same customer order. Click Mark as Fulfilled. A new window will appear asking you to enter the shipping information. Paste the tracking number into the tracking field. Then select the shipping carrier from the available list. If your shipping company isn't listed, you can usually enter the carrier name manually. Once you've entered everything correctly, click Fulfill Item to complete the process. The order status will now change from unfulfilled to fulfilled, indicating that the shipment is officially on its way to the customer. Now that your order has been fulfilled, I hope this tutorial helped you understand how Shopify order fulfillment works from start to finish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel,